The need for prophets 3:8. As is well known, Allah the Almighty created human beings so that they may know His holy existence and unity, and worship and obey Him. He has distinguished human beings from other creatures by giving them reason and intellect. Therefore, when a human being uses his intellect properly, he senses the existence of a creator who created him and gave him the power of thought and understanding. He understands that he and the beings around him did not come into existence randomly. Thus, a divine thought arises in him, and he comes to believe in the existence of a powerful creator. However, no one can comprehend that exalted creator in a manner befitting his glory. Those who do not follow his prophet cannot discern which acts of worship are displeasing to Allah, nor can they understand the wisdom of creation. They cannot properly determine the nature of relationships and mutual rights among people, nor can they discern their duties. Ultimately, they walk outside the purpose of creation without even realizing it. They cannot realize that they are in ignorance. Thus, they cannot understand that they are deprived of eternal happiness. Many nations who were unaware of the existence of prophets, or who did not believe in the path of the prophets and distorted the truth, have gone astray and fallen into states unbecoming of humanity. Among them, all kinds of barbaric acts have emerged, and they have worshipped humans, trees, and stones. In order to save people from such ugly situations, to teach them their duties in this world through religion, and thus to ensure their happiness in both this world and the hereafter, there is a need for prophets who are Allah's messengers. For this reason, the Almighty Allah sent prophets to people through His grace and generosity. Thus, the divine proof against people was complete. Now no one can say, "I did not know my duty. That is why I could not worship you." For the Almighty Allah has sent prophets to inform people of their duties. These prophets are Allah's. Proofs and evidences. 39. As we mentioned earlier, the greatest and last of the prophets is our Prophet Muhammad. Peace be upon him. Peace be upon him. The Prophet Muhammad is a prophet sent to all nations on earth. His prophethood will continue until the day of judgment. He is the last prophet. The religion he spread belongs to all people. The religion of Islam he brought is the religion of all humanity, the religion most suited to the purpose of creation. It is an eternal religion full of wisdom that will always respond to the needs of all times. The book, the Qur'an, brought by that blessed prophet will be preserved by Allah, without any alteration until the day of judgment. Conclusion: humanity has always been in need of prophets. Let us ask a fool who claims that one can find the right path and attain the truth without following the prophets. If he had grown up in a region unaware of the existence of prophets, would he have been able to form true ideas about the existence of Allah and his duties towards him? Would he have been able to determine his duties in matters of religion and worldly affairs? Would he have found an attraction to high feelings in his own conscience? Poor man. He never thinks about where some high ideas that begin to shine dimly in his own soul come from. Even in the easiest tasks and sciences, humans need a teacher, a master, and a guide. So how can they not need a teacher and a guide to learn the truths about religion, which is the most important thing? Indeed, no sensible thinker can deny the need for prophets. There is no nation to whom a warner, prophet, has not come. Fatir 24.